Hello everyone, this is Zaid from Z-Tech and this is our first video on this channel. So today we're going to talk about how to add a Type-C port to your PC desktop. So many old desktops and budget desktops, they don't come with a Type-C port or input. So we need to figure out a way to add this, and there's many ways. So there is a PCI Express card that you can buy off Amazon or anywhere online. I'll mention some in the description. And there's other way, that is some motherboards, the modern ones, they come with a Type-C input on it. So you can just connect if your PC case comes with a Type-C input, but you don't know how to connect it or how to turn it on. Some of the motherboards, they come with a USB-C input, so you just connect your case to the motherboard. And some people have their motherboard with a Type-C input, but their case comes without a Type-C port. So how are we gonna solve that, and how are we gonna do that?
A few inches later.
So for me, I am the third type of people. Who are the third type of people? They are the people who have a PC case without a USB-C input, but still their motherboard support a USB-C attachment to it. So I'm gonna attach this to my PC case and show you each step together. First, let me demonstrate how, when I connect a USB-A to USB-C code from my computer to my iPad, how it will say here not charging, which is not good. That's why I wanted to get a USB-C to USB-C port, so I can give it a try and see if this will do me any better. And this is my PC case. It's from Antique. I don't really remember the model, but it comes without any USB-C ports. So we're going to install this little part to it. I'm just going to try to put the input at the front area instead of the back area, because I want it closer to me while I'm working or plugging stuff into it. So let's go. First of all, I need to take off this panel. Put on the side, and then I will have to show you where the little input is on my motherboard. If you can see it down here, just this one. My fingers covering the camera. It's just this one here. See it? This one. So let's install our part. Get it opened. Some manuals and customer support QR code. It's in Japanese and English, and it's American number and I guess Japanese number, I'm not sure. Some manuals, and here's the part. So what I'm thinking of is, let me see if I can push this down here. No, it doesn't fit. I'm not gonna cut off my case, so I guess
Day 4.
so we're gonna need a screw kit. Then you need Phillip head, and I guess I don't have screws in here. I need to take this off. That's just the lid. just the lid that was here. We need to see a good place, which could be this one. I think this one is a good one. Middle. Don't want to damage my graphic card. We go a few times up and down, then take it out. And you come back with this one, which is supposed to go like this, maybe like this. Yep, should go like this, and then need to be screwed in here. I'm not sure if my screws would work, but I'll have a try. So I have this one. It's all the same size. You see?
2,000 years later.
So I'm using this. Glasses case as a screw box. Let's see if it's gonna work. If it has, if it has any screw that is gonna work. Hopefully. Yep, this one worked perfectly. What I'm gonna do, just pull this out, put this like this, and screw it. Make sure it's not gonna fall. Tighten it. Okay, so we need to cable manage this in a way that it doesn't affect how our computer would look like. Let's see. No.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Oh, okay. I had to twist it. It doesn't work just straight how you want it to work. Now it's testing time. And since it's testing time, I'm gonna have to put this down back there, not fully close it, but just turn it on and see if this thing is gonna work as expected. So after we connected the type C to C code, now it's time to demonstrate the difference between them. So come back to my iPad and we connect the type A to type C port. I'll get not charging again, but if we connect the other type C to type C, I'm charging, because this type C port supports power delivery, while the other type A to type C, it still supports power delivery, but I think it's by 2 watts or something less. I'm not sure. I haven't done enough research about that. And still, I can transfer my data while it's charging without any problem. So finally we got rid of this problem. And that's it for today. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. This was Zaid from Z-Tech. Hope you have a good one.